I'm Beth. I am the original inventor of the Busy Baby line of products, all designed to stop babies from dropping and throwing everything on the ground. Here to tell you about our essentials bundle. Everything coming in this one package. Let me show you what's inside. First is the patented Busy Baby mat. It suctions down to your smooth surface and it comes with 4 toy straps that allow you to hook up anything you want, anything baby wants, whatever will make them happy. We've also got in that same package the mini mat. This is a smaller version of this mat. Comes with 2 of the straps. The original mat comes with 4. Take it with you on the go, use it on the airplane window, use it at grandma's house, take it to the restaurant. Both of them travel well. Again, everything fits in this one package. Then we have our teether and training spoon. This is like literally the best teether ever. And when baby's ready to start self-feeding, you can put some puree, yogurt, applesauce, whatever in the tray. Baby's gonna go for that first taste. They're gonna get that food and like it and go back for some more and start practicing that motion of self-feeding. They're gonna get distracted, drop it, throw it, no worries. They can get it back themselves and you don't have a mess to clean up. Also in the bag are the bungees. Our bottle bungee has a loop that fits any bottle or sippy cup. You can hook it up to your Busy Baby mat, or you can use this thing on its own, wrap it around your wagon, your stroller, your shopping cart handle, and stop losing those bottles and sippy cups when you're on the go. The sister product to that is our toy bungee. These are very, very durable, high quality products. Not like the other products that you might see online. These are a much higher quality and safety tested product. The toy bungee can be used again on the mat or around any kind of handle, and also can be used to hook up any kind of thing you want to hook up for your baby. My favorite combination though is hooking up the teething spoon, and wherever you have baby strapped into, you can just put this around their straps. So if you're going for a walk, they have their teether handy. When they drop it, they can get it right back. It's not getting lost and it's not getting dirty. All of those products I just showed you come in a reusable wet bag. So you can use this to take everything to the restaurant, to grandma's house. When you get home, throw it all in the dishwasher. It's dishwasher safe. That is our essentials bundle. All of my patented products that comes in spearmint, pewter, and tan.